make a pizza. Halves. 1/2 of the pizza. 2 halves make 1 whole. Quarters. 1/4 of the pizza. 2/4 of the pizza. 3/4 of the pizza. 4/4 make 1 whole. Let's label the pizza. 1/4 of the pizza. 1/8 of the pizza. 1/2 of the pizza. Let's cut the pizza. Remember, the more parts you cut, the smaller each share. Halves. 2 equal parts. These shares are very big. Are you sure? Fourths. 4 equal parts. These shares are still big. Are you sure? Eighths. 8 equal parts. These shares are small. They are just the right size to eat. Let's eat the pizza. 7/8 of the pizza remains. 3/4 remains. 5/8 remains. 1/2. 3/8 remains. 1/4. 1/8. 0. Hurrah! 1/2. 1/4. 1/8.